Daniel had $4 million, and one night someone almost found out. For 6 years, he'd hidden it from everyone, even his own family. Then one text message threatened to expose everything. The moment someone found out, his whole life started changing. In the next 10 minutes, you'll see exactly how and why he never let it happen again. It started 5 years earlier, when Daniel had almost nothing saved. He started studying money the way other people study for exams. His first investment was $200. He almost backed out. A year later, he built a small side business out of his garage. Every dollar he made, he refused to spend. 2 years in, his savings quietly crossed 6 figures. He didn't celebrate. He didn't call anyone. He just sat there. When his mother asked how work was going, he said, "It's fine." By year 3, that number hit $1 million. He looked in the mirror and saw the exact same guy from 3 years ago. He kept buying the same off-brand groceries. Nothing about his life looked different. A co-worker once joked that he dressed too cheap to be doing well. Daniel just smiled and let him believe it. One night, a single sentence in a book stopped him cold. It said, "Most real millionaires are the people you'd never suspect." That single idea rewired how Daniel thought about his own money. He wrote himself one rule and pressed the pen hard enough to mean it. He didn't know yet how much that one rule would end up protecting. For the next 2 years, he lived exactly like before on purpose. But quietly, behind the scenes, his money had almost doubled again. He could have bought a new car 10 times over. He never did. When a neighbor bought a bigger house to show off, Daniel just watched. He wondered how long it would take before someone found out about him, too. He didn't know the answer was closer than he thought, because in 3 weeks, at one dinner table, he was about to slip. His cousin asked a simple question about how investing was going. For one careless second, Daniel let his guard down. He mentioned his portfolio had grown. Just 5 words. That's all it took. By the next morning, that sentence had already reached 15 relatives. By the end of the week, it had reached people he hadn't spoken to in a decade. An uncle showed up asking for money to fix his roof. A friend from college pitched him a business idea he'd clearly written that morning. People he hadn't thought about in years suddenly remembered his birthday. Even at work, people started laughing harder at his jokes than they used to. He hadn't changed, but suddenly everyone was acting like he had. At a party, someone announced his success to the entire room, unprompted. Some people smiled at him differently now. Others didn't smile at all. That night, walking to his car, he felt eyes on him for the first time in his life. A week later, that same friend asked to borrow $50,000. When Daniel hesitated, the friendship changed instantly. That friend stopped calling. 15 years of friendship, gone in a week. One rumor had cost him more than any bad investment ever could. Then came a message from someone he'd never met at all. Somehow, a stranger knew exactly how much he'd made that year. And that's the night Daniel realized his secret was already out. A week later, Daniel came home to find his front door already open. He stood frozen for a moment before stepping inside. Someone had gone straight for his private paperwork. Nothing else was touched. They didn't take the TV. They didn't take the jewelry. Just information. The officer said it looked less like a robbery and more like a message. That night, Daniel didn't sleep. He just kept replaying every conversation. He traced it all back to one sentence at one dinner table. The break-in wasn't really the danger. Being known was. He finally understood something most people never do. Money isn't dangerous. Being visible with it is. That morning, he wrote down 3 rules he swore never to break. The first thing he changed was how easily anyone could get close to what he had. The second thing he changed was how visible his money was to anyone looking. The third thing he changed was every trace of proof he'd left online. On the outside, nothing about Daniel's life looked different at all. But underneath, he'd just started playing an entirely different game. In his next negotiation, people assumed he had far less leverage than he did. Because they underestimated him, they never pushed nearly as hard. He walked away with a deal 30% better than he'd hoped for. Contractors and mechanics quoted him fairly, without ever adding the rich guy markup. The less he looked like he had money, the less the world tried to take from him. The friendships that survived were the ones that never needed to know. Only one other person in the world knew the full truth, and that was enough. When he gave money away, he made sure his name never touched it. He didn't want a thank you. He wanted the money to actually matter. One letter from a stranger he'd helped meant more to him than any applause ever could. He learned that every status symbol was really just a bill with someone else's name on it. Every ad on that street was designed to make an ordinary person feel poor without one. Instead, he quietly moved that money into his portfolio and let it keep growing. One skipped luxury purchase, reinvested for a decade, quietly became a small fortune of its own. His neighbor's new car depreciated the moment it left the lot. Daniel's money didn't. When he mentored people, he gave them real advice, never a hint of his own numbers. They respected him for what he taught them, not for what he had. For the first time since it all began, Daniel actually felt calm. His home had become the one place where money never entered the conversation. And from the outside, his life still looked like it belonged to anyone else. None of this happened by accident. It happened because of 3 habits he never broke. Every dollar his investments earned went straight back into more investments. His side business grew quietly, year after year, without raising his lifestyle. While his money multiplied, his lifestyle stayed completely flat. Because he never looked wealthy, salespeople never tried to upsell him. Landlords, contractors, even car dealers quoted him better deals than his flashier friends ever got. He noticed the people who talked the loudest about money usually had the least of it. Even people who loved him started asking careful questions about the future. Daniel learned to answer honestly without ever giving away a single number. He restructured everything so his name would never show up in a public record search. Anyone who searched him online found exactly nothing worth noticing. To everyone around him, Daniel remained exactly who he'd always been. 10 years passed. The house never got bigger. The car never got newer. But quietly, behind the scenes, everything else had multiplied. Then one morning, a headline stopped him mid-coffee. He recognized the man instantly, someone he'd met once, years earlier, who never stopped showing off what he had. That man had lost far more than money that night, and for the first time, Daniel felt genuinely grateful for how boring his life looked. His family never even knew how close danger had come to people just like them. By this point, his full net worth had grown far past anything he'd once imagined. A number most people spend their whole lives chasing and never reach. And yet his living room looked exactly the same as it did a decade earlier. His kids grew up thinking they were simply comfortable, nothing more. And because of that, they grew up humble, grounded, and hungry to build things of their own. 10 years later, Daniel was living a life most people would never believe. Not because of what he had, but because of how invisible it still was. The same car that started this story was still parked in his driveway. A neighbor's kid once asked why he never upgraded it. Daniel just said, "It still gets me where I need to go." What that kid didn't know is that Daniel could have bought the whole street. He just never needed anyone to know that. Here's the number that took Daniel 10 quiet years to build. A number built one reinvested dollar, one skipped upgrade, one quiet year at a time. Not luck, not an inheritance, just discipline no one ever saw. $4,127,000 hidden in plain sight. The friends who stayed close were the ones who never once suspected a thing. To them, he was simply the reliable guy next door, nothing more, nothing less. His marriage never carried the weight that money so often brings into a home. His children left home hardworking, humble, and completely unaware of what waited for them one day. For years, Daniel assumed all of this was about protecting his money. But sitting alone one evening, he realized he'd gotten that completely wrong. He wasn't protecting his money at all. He was protecting the one thing money can't buy back once it's gone: his freedom. There was one secret even his own family didn't know yet. A letter written years earlier, meant to be opened only after he was gone. Inside, he'd written down everything, every reason, every rule, every fear. It was the only place his full story would ever exist in his own words. To everyone else, he'd remain exactly who he always seemed to be. An ordinary guy with an ordinary car, living an ordinary life. Except now, nothing about that ordinary life could ever be taken from him. For the first time since this all began, Daniel finally understood peace. One house, one light, one secret kept exactly where it belonged. And from the outside, no one would ever guess what that house was truly worth. Here's the truth Daniel never said out loud until now. Daniel never hid his money because he was ashamed of it. He hid it because he understood something almost no one ever learns in time. Money doesn't create peace. How you handle it does. The same guy in that mirror had quietly built a life most people spend their whole lives chasing. $4,127,000. And almost no one on earth ever knew. Same car, same house. Because the moment people know what you have, they start deciding what they deserve from it. Quiet wealth isn't weakness, it's a shield. And in a world addicted to showing off, staying quiet became the smartest thing Daniel ever did. Rule 1. Never announce success before it's fully secure. Rule 2. Let your lifestyle stay years behind your actual wealth. Rule 3. Protect the people you love by never handing them a reason to worry. 3 rules. 1 fortune, a life nobody ever saw coming. And to every person on that street, Daniel was just another neighbor. Same car, same house, same quiet life chosen on purpose, every single day. That's exactly how Daniel wanted it to stay. Because real wealth was never about being seen. It was about being free. So ask yourself honestly, if you got rich tomorrow, who's the first person you'd tell? Most people answer that question without ever thinking about what it actually costs them. The people who protect their peace are usually the ones who keep it the longest. Daniel's story isn't rare. It's just rarely told out loud. There's a good chance someone exactly like Daniel already lives on your street right now. You'd never know it just by looking. If this story made you think differently about money, that was exactly the point. Sometimes the smartest move you'll ever make is the one nobody sees you make at all. Tell no one. Next time, we go inside what the world's quietest millionaires actually do differently. Thanks for watching. Remember, real wealth never needed an audience.